Hello guys, welcome back to
our channel.
Welcome back to
our channel. Guys, you are welcome. In today's video we are eating boiled yam with plantain, and we have here pumpkin stew with cabbage stew and chicken stew as well. So guys, if you are new here, you are welcome. If you are also subscribed, you are welcome. Thank you all for the support you've been supporting us, and for sending, like, we hitting 7K. Thank you guys. So before we eat this delicious food, let us pray. Thank you Lord for this delicious food. Bless anyone watching us. Bless them abundantly in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. So guys, we're gonna wash our hands. So guys, you are invited. Join us and let's eat.
Very much, guys.
Guys, today Abiel is not feeling fine
at all. My beautiful wife today not feeling fine.
I'm having headache.
Sorry, we'll do well. We'll do well, okay?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Guys, my head. Pray for me, okay?
I read new medicine.
Nice. The food is so delicious. The combination.
I love it.
So guys, I want to address this. I've been seeing a lot of comments that I ignore, but I want to address this. Everyone on this channel, I do only food eating, mukbang, chit chat, like mukbang, and we'll be chit chatting in asthma. But the food, the recipe that you're seeing is requested from you guys. Some other people always request, please can you show me how you do your cooking, how you do this, how you do that, baby eat. So I make sure to listen to you guys and bring you what you want. And one thing you have to know is that everyone is different. Everyone has their own way of cooking. Okay, some cook with a lot of spices, a lot of ingredients, but still it tastes good. And some cook with simple ingredients, affordable ingredients, and it tastes good as well. Me, for my cooking, I don't use a lot of stuff. I use simple method to cook my food. So when you see that I'm cooking and you think I don't have a lot of ingredients, so the food will be sack or what, I don't know what you're thinking. At the old ages, we weren't using spices. They were cooking with only the ingredients, like the food stuff. They weren't adding any spices to make the food taste good, but still after they finish, the food tastes good. So sometimes when I see some comments, I decide to delete and ignore those comments. So let me address this seriously. I love you haters. I love you very well. Even when you hate me, I still love you because your views count. And I want to tell you that everyone has their own way of cooking, okay? Even how I'll prepare my rice is different from you, and how you're gonna cook your soup is different from you. It's different from me, okay? So use your method, I use my method. So if you're not interested in my method, you can use someone else's method, okay? And my husband don't complain that my food is not delicious. He loves it, okay? Ever since I've married 12, almost 6 years to 7 years, I'm cooking and he's not complaining. My husband is a good cook. He can cook well. He would have cooked his own food. So I don't know why some people drop hate comments because they think I'm being easy in my cooking. I don't need to stress myself buying a lot of spices, a lot of stuff. And I'm dressing this from one of my comments. Someone asked me, why do I always use chicken to prepare soup? Trust me, my husband loves chicken, okay? And where we live, where we buy our stuff, sometimes I went out asking for where to buy pomo. In Nigeria, you know pomo, like cow skin. I don't get some. It's really hard for you to get, okay, in the city that I live. So I use the nearest ingredients around, the nearest meat that I can get to cook, okay? So sometimes you have to be patient. Everything is gradual. We are gradual building this channel thanks to you all. I'm being real. I'm real. My husband is real. And some people think I'm dressing this because some people think my husband is dull. Some people think, but that is how we can't change me. We can't change ourselves. You get it? People, what do you think? We can't change ourselves. My husband is he and me. So you have to love someone, okay? You have to get to know the person before you judge from some comments. So that's what I wanted to address. What do you have to say?
I support all countries, but not what you like and we like or I like. So do what you feel.
In the city that we are, it's really hard to find some stuff. It's really hard. Even this cow skin, we've gone around. I've let my husband, you know, he'll be here for longer than me. He have gone around searching for more for cow skin, but we are not getting. So one time I went to a Nigerian shop and I asked her, the person says, oh, it will come from Africa. Up to now, the thing hasn't reached. So I can't force myself going, pleasing you all. I'm doing what is necessary. Okay, so pending as times goes on, you see changes will improve every other day. I hope you understand. Guys, if you hear any noise, it's raining. Trust me, my husband is a nice person. I'm a nice person. We all have our bad side, okay? And we try to be real to you all the time in our videos. It's not that we want to fake ourselves. My realness draw your attention. His realness draw your attention. So please pardon us, don't force us to be fake, okay? We are trying to be real to you guys. And also some comment makes me laugh. They say that I should give my husband more meat when we are eating, but trust me, there are a lot of meat here and he can choose what he likes. Am I right? So sometimes I don't need to force him. He's a grown-up person to maybe chew meat. So if he is not chewing, I can't chew mine. Seriously, guys, please. Sometimes when you see some comments, we laugh because it's funny how people think. Okay, guys, it's funny. It's funny. I'm really appreciating you guys. I really thank you. I didn't know that we have people who will love us like this. Like, love who we are. Be real to ourselves. From all over the world. Guys, we love you guys. Jenny's word to the world. Are you done?
Because if you people know them, we are not like to. So,
What?
yes,
Yeah, if they are not there, we are not there. If you are not there, we are not there. Me too. I'm not feeling well, so I don't feel like eating. I don't know. And guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to our vlog channel, please subscribe to Jenny's vlog. On that channel, I do review and everything there. But I'm coming to post some vlog there, and I'll be reposting some video that I did long time on this channel because I'm not doing vlog here for now. So please subscribe to Jenny's vlog. It's featured on this channel, okay? Subscribe for vlogs, okay? Subscribe for vlog. You're gonna love it. You know, our routine, what we do was, you know, just subscribe. Subscribe for us. Are you done with it? Yeah. I don't feel like eating that much today. And also, we want to answer your assumption about us. I've posted on our community. Ask us any question you want to ask, so that we will do a video answering your questions, okay? We want to, you know, let you know us, where we are from, our case, you know. Just ask us any question. Go to my community, scroll down, you see that I've asked that question there, you know. Just drop your comment there, because the questions are not many. That is why we haven't done that video yet. A lot of people, like 5 people, have dropped their question, but because the questions are not many, that is why we haven't moved to that question yet. So please go and ask your question, whatever you want to ask. We think that is okay. guys, we are done here. If you enjoyed this video and you want more, don't forget to
subscribe, like, and share.
Like and share for more videos, for more mukbang, for more mood chat. See you on our next upload. Bye.